Imagine looking deep into the universe and witnessing a cosmic nursery. A place so dark, so hidden, that light itself barely escapes. And there, in the shadows, a brand new baby planet is being born. Not in glowing starlight, but in complete darkness. Today, we're going to explore this mind-bending discovery, the first ever baby planet caught in the act of forming in the cosmic shadows. Welcome back, friends. If you love space stories that blend mystery, science, and just a dash of wonder, you're in the right place. Grab a coffee, sit back, and let's journey billions of miles away into a dusty cradle of creation, where a tiny world is taking its very first breaths. So, what exactly does it mean for a planet to be born? Planets don't just pop into existence like bubbles. They grow. Slowly. Painfully. Inside massive disks of gas and dust that swirl around newborn stars. These disks are kind of like the cosmic leftovers after a star forms, like flour scattered on a countertop after baking bread. In that leftover material, gravity gets to work. Little grains collide, stick, clump, and over millions of years, those clumps grow into mountains, then moon-sized bodies, and finally, planets. But here's the twist. Usually, we spot these planet nurseries around bright young stars, shining like cosmic light bulbs. The light illuminates the dusty disks, giving astronomers a front row seat. This time, the baby planet wasn't forming in the light, but in the dark. This discovery centers on a special kind of object, a brown dwarf. Brown dwarfs are often called failed stars. They're too big to be planets, but not massive enough to ignite nuclear fusion like proper stars do. Imagine being forever stuck between childhood and adulthood, never quite either. Brown dwarfs sit in that cosmic limbo. Even though brown dwarfs don't shine like stars, they can still hold disks of gas and dust around them. Which means they might just be able to form planets too. For astronomers, this is like catching a plot twist in a movie they thought they knew the ending to. Until now, most believed planets were children of stars. But here we have a planet being born around something that isn't quite a star at all. It's like finding out you can grow apples in a desert, totally unexpected. The aha moment came when astronomers turned one of our most powerful tools, the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, or ALMA, toward a faint brown dwarf about 450 light-years away. ALMA doesn't look at visible light. Instead, it detects radio waves, perfect for peering through cosmic dust. And what ALMA revealed was stunning. A swirling disk of material around the brown dwarf, with clear ripples and gaps. Those gaps are smoking guns. They mean something inside is scooping up material, something like a growing planet. This was the first time astronomers had solid evidence of a planet forming in a place without the glow of a true star. A baby planet born in the shadows. A planet forming in darkness sounds cool, but why is it such a big deal? Because it challenges our entire understanding of planet formation. Traditionally, scientists thought you needed a star's warmth and light to create the right conditions. But this discovery suggests otherwise. Planets might not be limited to star systems at all. They might form around brown dwarfs, rogue objects, or in environments we never imagined. In other words, the universe may be littered with more planets than we dared to guess. Not just Earth-like planets circling sun-like stars, but strange worlds orbiting faint brown dwarfs in the cold, dark corners of the galaxy. It stretches our imagination about what a solar system really means. Do you even need a sun? Maybe not. Now comes the fun, mind-bending question. If planets can be born around brown dwarfs, could life exist on them? At first glance, you might think no way. Without a bright star, there's little heat or light. It would be unimaginably cold and dark. But nature is sneaky. Some planets generate heat internally, through radioactive decay or gravitational squeezing. Some might be covered in thick atmospheres that trap heat. Others could host oceans beneath icy crusts, warmed by geothermal activity. So while these worlds wouldn't look like our sunny Earth, they could still hide cozy little environments for life, perhaps microbial, perhaps stranger. Think about it. Alien life thriving not in sunshine, but in eternal twilight. This discovery is a reminder that the universe doesn't play by our rules. Every time we think we've drawn the boundaries of possibility, the cosmos casually erases them. It also shows the power of technology. A few decades ago, the very idea of spotting a planet outside our solar system was science fiction. Today, we're not only finding them, we're catching them in the act of being born, even in places we never expected. It's humbling. It's thrilling. And it makes you wonder. If baby planets are forming in the shadows, how many of them are out there, quietly growing, waiting for us to find them? Close your eyes for a second and picture it. A dark corner of the galaxy, no blazing star, just a faint brown dwarf glowing like an ember. Around it, a swirling disk of dust, cold, quiet, overlooked. And within that dust, a clump gathers, spinning, pulling, growing. Slowly, invisibly, a planet is taking shape. No one is there to witness it. No light announces its birth. But millions of years later, maybe that planet grows moons. Maybe it grows oceans. Maybe something crawls, swims, or flies across its surface. All of it, born in the shadows. Isn't that one of the most beautiful ideas you've ever heard? Astronomers are now on the hunt for more of these shadowy nurseries. If one baby planet can form around a brown dwarf, surely there are others. With upcoming telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're about to pull back the curtains on a whole new kind of cosmic family tree. The next great discovery might not be about planets orbiting stars at all, but about planets born in darkness, entire systems we've been blind to until now. So, the first ever baby planet born in darkness isn't just a cool space fact. It's a symbol of curiosity, persistence, and the endless surprises of the universe. Every time we look deeper, the cosmos whispers back, there's more. Keep looking. And we will. Because somewhere out there, in the quiet corners of space, countless new worlds are being born, worlds we've yet to imagine. If you enjoyed this cosmic story, hit that like button. It helps more curious minds find videos like this. And if you want to keep exploring the wonders of space together, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, and maybe the shadows too.